In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a promo code for Urban Outfitters. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we want to do is open up a web browser and go to google.com. Now, once we're here, we want to type in promo codes for Urban Outfitters and hit enter, and then we'll be taken to Google search results. And right off the bat, we've got a few quality third-party sites offering promo codes. So we've got Coupon Follow up to 20% off in December. I am in December. We've got Real Tell Me Not 15% off. Keep scrolling down. Join Honey, coupons.com. So you can check out any one of those websites, third-party sites for promo codes. But one I really like to use is from Coupon Follow. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the couponfollow.com. And now once I'm here, we've got a couple of choices. We've got a 10% off your order, or we got 25% off your order. So obviously you want to go for the most savings. So if we want to activate this 25% off, we need to click on show coupon code. And then from here, copy this code and paste this code at the checkout section of Urban Outfitters to activate your 25% off your order. These codes do expire, so if one code expires, just move on to the next one. And another fact about these promo codes, they do change daily, weekly, monthly, so you might find a better deal in the not so distant future. And a cool thing about Coupon Follow, you can see their past deals. So if we scroll down to the bottom of the page here, it says previously featured offers and deals. So as you can see, there's been 10%, 15% off free shipping, 50% off of accessories. So I'll just give you a good understanding of what type of promo codes they will offer down the track